The Future Generations Act is already making a difference to the way we reject old road building schemes, to the way we think about planning and designing our communities around a sense of place rather than just infrastructure popping up anywhere, to the way that we educate our children in school through the new curriculum and through individual decisions that are being taken at a local level every day. But we have much more to do. Across Wales, frustrated champions who are infuriated by a system of old are telling me that the Future Generations Act is helping them to make change, but we need to go further and we need to go faster. We have some critical things facing us in the future, even beyond the COVID pandemic. The impact of climate change and the challenges with our nature emergency, how we make sure that all of our children and young people have the right skills for the future, how do we tackle automation, artificial intelligence, and how do we make the most out of our ageing population while supporting them to age well. Next year's election will be absolutely crucial in ensuring political parties in Wales put those principles of well-being and a commitment to protecting future generations right at the heart of their manifestos. And so in my manifesto, a manifesto for the future of Wales, I'm setting out some key priorities for them to take on board. Our interactive map here is an illustration of the conversations that we've had across Wales about the vision for the Wales that we want to leave behind to our children and our grandchildren. In our interactive map, have a look around. You'll see energy efficient homes close to nature. You'll see a joined up health service. You'll see a world leading public health and transportation system. You'll see culture and heritage everywhere. You'll see connected communities coming together to play sport, to interact with each other, to shop locally, to reduce consumerism and to recycle more effectively. This is just some of the vision of the Wales that we want to see, a vision which is already set out in our groundbreaking piece of legislation, the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act. There's never been a more important time or a better time to reset, to change the way we do things, to focus on making things better for the future. You can join us in this movement. You can help us to build momentum by keeping up the pressure on our politicians. Please join us in securing a better future for our children, our grandchildren, and future generations to come.